enabling new technology is going to make you more attractive to your local community. And it's going to make it so more people are going to want to work with you because you're moving from that dark, dirty, dangerous environment to a technology enabled environment. So while large Fortune 1000 companies are going to be successful and all those, I bet you every single Fortune 1000 company has a team built around digital transformation and smart manufacturing, industry 4.0 initiatives. That's wonderful. And they're rolling them out and they need to roll them out to be successful. But every small machine builder as well needs to leverage this technology in a way. It's like the same reason why I would say collaborative robots have made such an impact. I was on a conversation earlier with Universal Robots today, and they sold 50,000 robots. They reached a milestone of 2020 selling 50,000 robots, and I think the one reason why why collaborative robots have made such an impact is because it's made automation attractive to a lot of first time users. And if you can leverage a technology that's familiar to someone already or that they view as a much lower risk, um, they're going to do a lot more job possibly successfully integrating it than they would a much more complex, larger solution.